All right, the fact that we notice that the budgeted quantity is low compared to the individual fees cost that is the product 7 carry. So we have to go and adjust it. It's either we reduce the fixed cost, but then fixed costs are not reducible because they are already fixed. They are sunk cost. Then what you have to do is to increase the capacity so that it can absorb the fixed cost, and then reduce. Come within the range that is supposed to be. It cannot go more than 100% capacity. So now let's go and do that before we now do this analysis again. Okay, so now let us now here change this to, let's say, 8,000 and see what we are going to have. So that's 8,000, and then of course we need to save this. Save 8,000. Now we now go back to do our analysis again. It's going to be quicker this time around. So now the analysis, we select budget and profit planning, and then we click OK. Yeah, so we can call this one we can call this analysis now. Okay, repeat analysis. And then number of products, as we have given earlier, that is 8. Then that's 8, yeah. And then the general fixed cost is 2 million. Yeah, I will enter like that. So then let's now go to import the data from where it is saved. Yeah, so we'll type the name of the data set budget. That is it. So, and then we'll now click OK. Yeah, it has imported it. Now, having done that, we now click process. Now it's asking for what we provided before. So that is asking for, what do you call it now? The expected profit. The expected profit. So expected profit we used before was 4 million. So now we use the same 4 million. We type in 4 million here. Okay, I hope that's correct. Yeah. Now we now click OK and wait to see what happened. Yeah, so now good. Now you can see the scenario changed, and then when you come to this when you come to this product mix analysis, yeah, now 50,000 capacity activity level. Now when you now come to that, you now see that wow, this is still repeating. Okay, what happened now is that the capacity here, the other one is using 104%, while the other ones are using 85.64%. Still, because of that individual fees cost that was used. So but then we don't need to adjust it again, but if it's in real life, we still have to adjust it so that we'll be able to accommodate that. Maybe you still have to increase it by say 500. We can make it 8,500 so that the whole thing will disappear. And the master budget this time around is what we have here. So master budget is this. Operating master budget. The total sales, then total variable costs is this. So when you take it away from total sales, you have 6 point something million, and then take away 2.25 million, which is total fixed cost. What you now have is expected profit of 4 point something million. Okay, maybe let's just quickly see if we can increase that budget again. Let's increase it to 8,500 and see what happens, whether it's going to, let's just increase it to 9,000. Let's increase it to 9,000. Okay, and then we save. So now we go back to the analysis and do it for the last time. We click the budgets and profit planning, and I hope that the viewer have learned something here. Okay, and we also come to this to say, maybe repeat analysis 2. Yeah, so and then we come to this place. It's 8 products, and we come to the general fixed cost, which is 2 million, 32 million. One, two, three. Good. Yeah. Now, another lesson you need to learn here is concerning importing the data. First of all, you have to fill in these ones that are filled in before you start to import. Otherwise, it may give you an error, or that is, it may just simply tell you that you have not done what you are supposed to do before you are importing. So now, since we have filled the analysis ID, number of products, and the general fixed cost, we can now go and import the data. So again, we type in the name, budget, and press enter or click OK. Yeah, so it is here now. It is here. And then we now click process. And then it will ask for that expected profit again. Our expected profit here is 4 million. That's our expected profit. So we click OK to accept it, and then it does its own wonder. Now, yeah, so now this is what we have seen before, but then there are differences now. Now this let us okay, now let us look at the product mix analysis again. Yeah, so now the break-even mix for this has come down to 8,837, showing that it will accept that it will go below exactly now. So that particular one is now below the 100. So it's now using 98% capacity instead of the over that is using, while the other one has reduced their own capacity too, because of the profit margin, and of course because of the increased capacity of the other one. So having done that, now this now will now take us to our budget, operating master budget. The total sales here 12 269,992,900, while the total variable cost is 5,990,952.1. Now this have been this is adjusting itself dynamically, based on the mix, that is based on the break-even mix, because I had to do this analysis, break-even mix analysis, before it will start doing other one. This is a budget planning, so that is how it plans its own budget, so that to be within reach. So now you can see that our profit is still there, with a little bit above that profit that is there. So that is how this is taken care of. That is the budget planner.